Hello, my friends. Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life. And guess what? It is club time. What does that mean? It means that on the first of every month, Ken gets up extra early and he gets in the truck and he drives to the post offices and he drops off our Stamp Club members and Die Hard Club members items, which is really exciting. So the Stamp Club gets the Stamp Club, Die Hard gets the same stamps and the dies that match. He gets up extra early. Are you ready to see this month's set? I'm really excited about this one because it's a wintry theme, but it doesn't have to be a wintry theme. Are you ready? Drum roll. Here we go. It is called Penguins to Stamp, and it says, have an ice day, winter wishes, have a cool birthday, just chillin', hello. And then there's this cute little tiny banner that you can, if you want to, you don't have to, stamp the word joy on it, which is really fun, or the letters joy on it. There's a chubby penguin and a tall skinny penguin. Now, wouldn't it be fun if they had penguin friends to go with them? Well, guess what? My lips are sealed. Go check out the other video. Okay, now it comes with a cute little scarf, comes with a cute little hat. Die Hard Club members, of course, you're getting the dies that match. So the same dies that match, you're getting 2 for this penguin, 2 for this penguin. You're getting a scarf with the shadow, you're getting the banner, and 2 hats. Because just in case you lose one, I thought I'd throw in another one. I had a little bit of space extra. Now, club members, yours are already on their way to you. If you're not in the club, you have to join now because our club is getting better and better each month. In fact, in December, we are releasing a new, I can't tell you too much, but we're releasing a new club benefit that it does not cost you anything, but it has tons of awesome things about it. Can't say anything else, but you're gonna love it, club members. Love, love, love. Now, let's look at our samples because there are many of them. As I always mention, my design team is amazing. So here's a cute one that just says, just chillin'. Ooh, here's a box card one. Box cards are nice because they mail flat, but then you open them up for display. And look at how cute they are. Look at that, just chillin'. And you might see, a little sneak peek in this one. Just saying, just saying. Okay, here's another one. Oh, this one's so cute. Have an ice day. Isn't that fun? Because see, it doesn't even have to be like, you could make this Christmas, you can make it winter, and it says, be joyful, be a penguin. Here's a cute one, winter wishes, which is oh so cute. Oh, another sneak peek, just saying. Oh, here's a cute one. Open and close, open and close. One of my favorite flip bits, that I took on HSN, so some of you already have it. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, here's a cute one. On our Elegant Edge die. I love this card. Isn't that fun? Isn't that fun? Ooh, pocket slider. Pocket slider, happy birthday. Open it up and look how they jump up. Isn't that fun? Have a cool birthday, it says. Up here it says, have an ice day. Isn't that fun? I love the pocket slider. The pocket slider is so fun. Ooh, here's another fun box it card. Not box it, a box card die. Winter wishes. Oh, here's a cute one. Look, it looks like they're going sledding or something. Isn't that cute? Have a cool birthday. And look, of course, those action wobblies, my design team tries to get those in everywhere they can because they're so much fun. Now, here's a fun one with our snowflake background die. Isn't that gorgeous? I love those colors. Those colors are so pretty. Now, here's a fun one. This one wins my favorite award. This one's by Catherine. Now, look at this. It's a shaker. Isn't that fun? So you can use our adhesive foam to die cut just using regular rectangles, and look at how fun and happy they are. Now here's another sneak peek, but first I want to show you this. Here is the envelope because it requires a larger envelope, which that's okay. Larger envelope because this is a sneak peek. Are you ready? Look at this penguin family. Isn't that fun? Open it up. You have your message in there. Merry Christmas. Can you imagine sending this card to your friends and family for Christmas? Isn't that gorgeous? You could do a whole family. However many people are in the family, you could do that. So go check out the other video to find out more about this one. Now, as I mentioned, club members, yours are already on their way to you. Hold tight. They're on their way as fast as we can get them to you. If you're not in the club, you have to join. You're just missing out, and you're just missing out. Who doesn't like getting Happy Mail? I love getting Happy Mail in them. I actually even told Ken I want to join my own club so I can get the Happy Mail. He thought I was a nut, which I am a nut because, you know, but who doesn't love getting Happy Mail? Now, club members, as I mentioned, yours are already on their way to you. If I went too fast on any of these samples, go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, and check out the online gallery because you're going to see them all up close and personal, and they are so awesome. I cannot wait for you to get your club sets. You're going to love them, and stay tuned because there are some fun things to go with these items. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.